Instagram is huge. Make money now. Instagram is really popular. Lots of people use it. You can make money on Instagram. Many people already are. Use Instagram to tell your story. Connect with people. Instagram helps you reach people. You can sell products or services. You can work with brands. Start building your Instagram today. Get more followers with AI. AI tools can help you grow on Instagram. Use AI to schedule your posts, find the best times to post. AI can analyze trends, see what's popular on Instagram. Use AI to find the right hashtags. Hashtags help people find your content. More followers mean more people see your stuff. That means more customers. Make awesome content with AI. AI can help you make great content. Use AI to write better captions. AI can help you design better images. You can even use AI to create videos. AI gives you ideas for your content. See what's working for others. Make content that people want to see. Turn followers into cash. You can make money from your followers. Brands will pay you for sponsored posts. You can also do affiliate marketing. Share links to products, earn money when people buy, sell your own products or services. Use Instagram to promote your business. Instagram is a powerful tool to make money. Start today.